Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. I am Samauddin Iraj from Blogbus. So today we are discussing about a very important app which name is Symbolab. So without any delay, let's watch it. So to use Symbolab, first you need to go to the browser. So you can use Microsoft Explorer or Chrome browser. As I already said, the hack is Symbolab in Chrome browser. So I show you by using the Microsoft Explorer that how the Symbolab is premature show. So first I go to the Microsoft Explorer and here I search the keyword Symbolab. So I click on it. As you can see, Symbolab Math Solver is here. So I click on it and the screen is shown by this type. So I search one math as limit. So I choose the limit sin ddf of x. So I go with it. As you can see, there are many steps, step 1 and step 2. So by the side of this you can see a log notification. So you cannot access it by providing this step. So here you can see 3 steps: join office, join Facebook and join email. So as a student you cannot generally have the password or dollar or credit card number. So I show you how you can unlock it. So this you can go to Chrome browser. So I open the Chrome browser. As before, I open the Symbolab tab. So I open it and I just add plus tab and here I search temper monkey. So you can easily write temp ERMON. So you can see here temper monkey. So you can just click it. As you can see many tabs here as temper monkey named. So you just click it, just http chrome.google.com. So here you can just easily click it. So this is loading. So as you can see, remove from Chrome. So you just add it here. You can show it as add extension tab. So you can just easily add this tab as I already adding it as Chrome browser, but in your Chrome browser you cannot seeing this tab. You can seeing this tab just add extension, add temper monkey as extension. So you can just easily add. So adding that, you can go to new tab here and you just click it on this tab, and you can see temper monkey, and in that beside you can see this tab create a new script. So you can just easily press this and open this tab. So here we just need a small breakthrough or crack file to activate our Symbolab and unlock it. So where you can find it, I gave it in this description. So you can just easily click on the description and you can easily add this to unlock your Symbolab tab. So I go to my drive. So I already here add it as Symbolab activator. So you can just click it and activate yourself. So I just easily copy paste it. So here you can copy paste it here. So you can press Ctrl Alt and just Ctrl V. So paste it here and you can save it as file and then click save. So I already save it, so I didn't save it now. So I close this tab. So you back to this Symbolab tab and just refresh it. So by refreshing it, you can just see that every options will be unlocked. So I choose a random math, then I go with it. So you can see just that there are first we show the log tab, but log notification, but now this will show unlock. By the steps you are following here, so you can easily unlock the Symbolab, and you can use it as freely as a free user. So thanks for watching the video, and I hope you will stay with Vlogbuzz.